Surfing the digital waves, the art of navigating the internet. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very common and colorful phrase in English: surf the internet. This expression is not only popular but also paints a vivid picture of how we interact with the vast world of the internet. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Surf the internet refers to the activity of exploring or browsing through the internet by moving from one web page to another, often without a specific purpose in mind. Just like a surfer glides across the waves on a surfboard, an internet user moves through various websites, links, and online platforms, exploring different topics, news, videos, and more. This phrase captures the ease, speed, and fluidity of navigating the digital space. The term surfing has its roots in the sport of surfing, where it signifies riding the waves on a surfboard. The adaptation of this term for internet use started in the early 1990s. It reflects the transition from a structured, linear way of accessing information to a more dynamic and exploratory approach. The phrase quickly gained popularity as the internet became more accessible to the general public, encapsulating the sense of adventure and discovery in the digital age. Using surf the internet in a sentence is straightforward. It's often used to describe the act of casually browsing the web. Here are some examples. I spent the whole afternoon surfing the internet for travel tips. When you're bored, do you prefer reading a book or surfing the internet? She's great at finding interesting articles. She's always surfing the internet. This phrase can be used in various tenses and forms depending on the context, such as surf the internet for past actions or surfing the internet to describe ongoing activities. In today's digital age, surf the internet not only describes a common activity but also highlights our relationship with technology. It underscores the vastness of the internet and our desire to explore and discover new information. With the growth of digital media, this phrase has become an integral part of our vocabulary, representing the curiosity and freedom that the internet offers. We hope this exploration of surf the internet has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your understanding of English phrases. The internet is a vast ocean of knowledge, and knowing how to surf it can make your digital journey more enjoyable and fruitful. Remember, every time you dive into the web, you're not just browsing, you're surfing the digital waves. Happy surfing, and see you in our next video.